Okay, so I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on how to move something to desktop. If you can't find it in File Explorer because it's too hard to find or something, or you can't find the path of it, um, this tutorial will be for you. And also, I'll still be doing coding tutorials. Just thought this would be useful to some people, so let's get into it. First off, you search the app. This is very simple, but you might just miss this. So, for example, I downloaded IntelliJ today and I want to move it to desktop, but it's hard to find. So, I'm just gonna search it up, IntelliJ. There you go, it's right there. Now I do this, I click the arrow and I click open file location and I move it to desktop. Simple as that, it's very easy. Um, yeah, more coding tutorials are coming soon. I might do databases in the future, maybe like a few weeks. In like a few weeks, I'll do databases, and also, I wanna just shout out my hold up. I wanna shout out my Discord server. I also want to shout out my bot. It's called Foodbot. I've been working on it using Discord PY, and it's been very fun. A very fun project. I'm enjoying. So, you know, link in the description if you wanna, get my bot and join my server. And that's all there is to this video. You know, subscribe, like the video, whatever. Do what you want. But hope I helped. And bye.